Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. We are at the Unicodes final part. Now, I only ask you about the percentage encoding. Percent encoding, also known as URL encoding, is a mechanism for encoding information in a uniform resource identifier (URI) under certain circumstances. We're going to show you how only the special characters are reserved except numbers and letters, and few characters, hyphen, underscore, period, and tilde. The reserved characters, which has the special meaning of being a delimiter between path segments. Exclamation mark encodes as %21, hash sign encodes as %23, $sign encodes as %24, and others. For example, take the website https://www.cartoonnetwork.com/ can now define as %2f and can be defined as %3a. We now define the URL encoded result as https %38%2f%2f www.cartoonnetwork.com %2f. Similarly, you can encode any other sites like Google, Wikipedia, Facebook, etc. So thus, hope you have enjoyed this Unicode course. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.